Your business is constantly evolving, and you need a system that's going to be doing the same for you. You want a system that is your ally and not your opponent. With Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains, you have a lot of hidden costs that are holding you back that you may not be aware of. Every integration that you're building and every extension that you make to the product, it's only throwaway work that will need to be redone within your new system when you move to a modern cloud ERP.
Think about maintenance. Every service pack, upgrade, and hotfix on GP steals time from your team and budget from your roadmap. Dynamics 365 Business Central updates itself behind the scenes. No late night installs, no weekend cutovers, no surprise outages. Consider talent. Fewer consultants still specialize in GP every year, and the rates climb rapidly. Business Central skills are mainstream, more partners, faster support, lower costs. Security tells the same story. GP leaves you patching local servers, juggling backups, and hoping the firewall holds. With BC, it hands you enterprise-grade encryption, automated disaster recovery, and 99.9% uptime, all baked into your subscription. And then there's innovation. With Copilot now being integrated into Business Central, you now have access to forecasting, real-time dashboards, native e-commerce connectors, and open APIs, which come standard in Business Central. In GP, each new capability becomes another paid add-on or another integration you'll throw away later.
So make sure that you take that into consideration when planning out your upgrade path for the future. Anything that you're doing now will need to just be thrown away, and you could use instead that cost for your plan for the future. Don't let your ERP be the reason that you miss out on all the latest capabilities. If you're on Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains and thinking about the future, then reach out to us today. We're happy to help work with you to develop a plan for the future.